Hello everyone, my name is Adetuji from Ades Fusion Innovations Limited, and what we are learning today is how to reserve a name on the ICRP portal. Uh, what you are going to learn in this module, by the end of this module, you will be able to understand what name reservation is and why it is important, and we will be able to use the ICRP portal to search for and reserve a business name, and we'll be able to use the AI to generate valid business name ideas. Firstly, what is name reservation? Is the first official step in registering a business or a company. It allows you to secure your desired name before someone else takes it. It also ensures your name meets CAC standard and also proceed. It also is a way, it's just like a gateway that will make you proceed with your registration once the name is researched. So don't forget, this is a compulsory step before any business or company registration can be done. And what makes a good name? The name must be unique and it must not contain restricted words like federal, police, national government, and the likes. And don't and we have restricted word and we have reserved words. So the reserved words are example of a reserved word is group. So you might be able to use that, but you are going to fill some form before you can do that. Let's not go there today. So now, and if you are registering a company, your company must end with limited or it must end with limited or LTD. But if you are registering a business name, so you can use enterprise, you can use ventures and the likes, even you might not use anything. But don't worry, when you get to the practical aspect of it, you are going to understand what we are trying to bring out here. So, how to use AI to generate name ideas? You say AI tools like ChatGPT can help you create business names quickly. Yes, I used to use that. Most times, I use ChatGPT to suggest names for my clients because most of them will be like, I just want Babaramo to appear in my business name. So I used to use the AI that in a way that is going to suggest business names that will contain Babaramo, for example. So that's how to use the ChatGPT tool. So that's that for that. Let's not waste our time. So now we are going to perform the practical aspect of it. We are going to perform the practical aspect of it. So now we are going to learn how to reserve a name. Stay tuned. So welcome back to our class. So this is the practical aspect of name reservation. So as you can see, this is my Gmail. So I'll try to log in now. After you've created your account, you should be able to now to log in into your account. So I'm using my email to register. So you click on login. So you wait for the OTP on your Gmail. So you kindly check your Gmail for the OTP and enter the code. And don't forget, you can't use my own OTP on your on your account. So now I've logged into the account. You can see it's a fresh new account. What do you notice here? That's an accredited agent account. That's our new account. So since you are now our student, you have access to our accredited agent portal. So now let's go. Now we want to reserve a name. Like we said earlier, that if you want to reserve a name, make sure the name is unique and specific. So it should not contain restricted or misleading terms, and it should not be similar to other registered names. So let me try to use a name that I have in mind, for example. So let's say I'm trying to reserve a business name for ice cream, fruit drink, yogurt, and the likes business. So you should know a name like that must be a sweet name. So let's say the first thing you do, you click on new reservation. So you can see we have they said important note for name reservation on new ICRP. You are going to read that yourself. So they give us the guide. If the name is available, click continue to payment. If unavailable, click update business name or click get name suggestion for AI options. So the first thing we are going to do is that you have to know the category, the classification of the business you are registering. We are registering a business name. what a business is. So you click on business name. So in the business type, we have two type of business. We have the sole proprietorship and the partnership. You know, a sole proprietorship business is a one-man business, while the partnership can be two or more people. So you are clicking on sole proprietorship. So you click on continue. So now the company information. You can see the portal is very straightforward. It's very straightforward and easy to comprehend. So let's say the name I want to use now is let me just try to use a name. Let's say I'm trying to use Asmau, Asmau natural naturals store. So Asmau naturals store. So the next thing is the business category. Click on business category. For the fruits, food and drink, it's under the accommodation and food services activities. If you are not seeing the option, just click on select option. It's going to show you different categories. So click on accommodation and food services activities. So now the next thing is specific nature of business. What kind of business are you actually registering? So you click on select option. You see a pop-up menu, a pop-up options. You are going to see them. So I'm going to click on fruits juice production and sale. Fruit, you can see fruit juice production and sale. So I have my business name, my business category, and my nature of business. The next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to check the availability of the name. Instead of you on the old portal, you have to search before you can search it. But here we have the search and the reservation together. So check availability. You can see you are running a compliance check on your business name. That is, they are checking if the name is already in existence. You can see business name as small natural store is available for registration. So that is to say the name is available. Let me try to use another name. Okay, you can see when the name, since the name is available, you can see the green sticker here that is showing checked, right? You can see. So that means the name is available. You can click on continue to payment. So when you continue to payment, this is the fee you are going to pay. But don't forget, as from August 1, the price, the total amount for reservation is going to be 5,000 naira. Instead of 500 naira, it's going to be 5,000 naira. So when you're charging your clients, make sure you charge them very well for any job you are going to do. So the next thing here is to make your payment. Just click on remitter. When you click on remitter, you have different payment options. You have the bank transfer, you have the USSD. You can see you have the bank, you have the card, the bank transfer, the USSD. You can pay with e-naira, you can pay into your bank branch, you can pay through remitter, your phone number, enter and the like. So that's how you are going to make the payment. And when you make the payment, you are going to get instant approval since the name is available for registration. So thank you, and we are going to meet in the next class on how to register your reserved name. Thank you. Let me quickly show you how fast the reservation goes. So this is the business name, the nature of business, and the specific nature of business. So check availability. So you can see it's trying to check if the name is available for registration. You can see it is available for registration. Then you continue to payment. So I want to show you how fast the reservation is. So I'm paying through remitter. So don't forget, always copy your remitter code. Copy it in case if there is any query concerning the payment, it has been copied. Then click on remitter. So this is the payment page. I'm paying through bank transfer. So this is the account I'm going to make the transfer to. So cash connect microfinance bank. So how much am I paying? I'm paying 661 naira. So So since I'm paying through transfer, when I send money and wait to click on I have sent the money. So I'll click I have sent the money. So I'll wait for it to be verified. So payment successful. You can see I will get instant approval. You can see name installation successful. Continue. You can continue to find if you are paying for registration instantly or you go home. So you can see my interface approved application. I got an instant approval for the installation. So that's how to reserve a name on the new AI powered portal without making mistake. Thank you.